Good morning, friends. Welcome at Vadjari Junior College of Science. Today we are going to discuss the topic suffix and prefix and change the voice. Let's see, we will start today. Good morning, friends. Yesterday we discussed about the brainstorming exercise of the lesson, and today we are going to discuss about the language study. That is the part of language study, suffixes and prefixes. Let's see. A few words are there, and by adding suffix and prefix, we have to frame new words with the help of suffix and prefix. Few examples are given there. Look, few words are there. The first word that is there, absolute, fulfill, determine, danger, tight, clear, sure, legal, legitimate, and the last one, possible. These are the main words. We have to add suffix and prefix wherever it is needed. So let's say we will start with the first one that is given, absolute, absolutely. The word absolute, by adding ly, the word is frame by adding ly, a suffix absolutely. The next word is there, fulfill. We can add prefix here, unfulfill, and by adding ment, a suffix, the word will be fulfillment. Let's see the next word, determine. What can we add, suffix or prefix? We can add both. Undetermined. By adding prefix un, the word will be undetermined. Next, determination, by adding suffix tion. Next word is danger. So we cannot make it prefix there. ous, by adding suffix ous, the word will be dangerous. Tight. The next word is tight. By adding ly, it will be tightly. One more word is there like that, clear. Here we can add un, unclear. A prefix un, the word will be unclear. By adding suffix ly, it will be clearly. Clearly. The next word, sure, unsure, and surely. Next one, legal. Now we can add prefix here, ill. The word will be illegal. And once again, ly, legally. Yes. The next word that we have to discuss is legitimate, the main word. Yes. Illegitimate, by adding il. And if we add the suffix tion, legitimation, the word will be legitimation. Next one, the word is possible. By adding im as a prefix, we can make it impossible. Impossible, and ly as a suffix, possibly. Let's see, this kind of suffixes and prefixes are there. You have to use in various words to frame the new words. Okay, let's see, we will discuss the next topic after that. One more thing that I want to tell you, you should solve questions like this. Linguistic part is there, which is depend on the grammar, that is change the voice. So grammar part, let's see, the sentence is there, we made a pact, that is a sentence, we have to make it passive. The sentence is in active, it's a very easy task if we follow the correct rule. Look, this is subject, verb, object, common structure of the English language. Now while making it passive, one formula we have to follow. The formula is as it given there. Let's see, very first object plus helping verb according to the tense, we can use it. Then past participle of the verb, that is called V3. As per the tense we should use it. V3 is same everywhere. The next one plus by and subject, second case. Second case of subject. Let's see, we will apply it to the given sentence. The sentence that is given here, we made a pact, is the sentence. So object here, a pact is the object. Shall we write that? A pact. Let's solve the answer. A pact. There is a past tense, made shows us, right? Made shows us, that is the past tense. So helping verb, to be is helping verb in the past according to the subject, a pact, single pact. So we have to use here was. Was. A pact was. What is the V3 of verb? Made. Make, made, made. So we will use here made. Make, made, made. Yes, V3. Make, made, made. Made. Then as per the formula by, we have to use after the V3. And then second case of the subject, that is we, us, our. So second case, us should be there. Now our sentence is ready. What is the answer? A pact was made by us. This is the sentence. Let's see. For an example, we will solve more examples. Whatever are given there, we will solve that examples. The next sentence is there. What is it? I offered silent. I offered silent prayer. Prayer in my heart. Yes, this is our sentence. I offered silent prayer in my heart. We have to make this sentence into passive voice. We can use it. Yes. As per our formula, let's verify what is the subject, what is the verb, what is the object. I is a subject. Offered is a verb. And there are two objects are there. First one, silent prayer is the object and in my heart, that is the complement. Yes. Two objects are there. one is as a complement. Let's see what is the object first that you should take initially. Silent prayer. Silent prayer. Now offered is the verb. According to that is in the V2. V2 form means past tense. We have to use was or silent pair. Was offered, offered, offered. ED. Silent prayer was offered by me in my heart. Complement as it is for the meaning of the sentence. That is important. In my heart. Silent prayer was offered in my heart. Yes. Sometime two objects are there. At that time, we have to use different rules. One more sentence we will discuss regarding that. Okay. Colonel Hunt gave me 3 flags. Flags. That is the sentence. Colonel Hunt gave me 3 flags. Colonel Hunt is the subject here. Gave is the verb and object. Me. Another object is there, that is 3 flags. Let's see how we will solve this. Very first you should use object. But there are 2 objects. We will solve it in 2 ways. The first one, let's see. First ways, that is me as a verb. Means me will translate that I. I gave means past tense. So we should use was. I was given with 3. 3 flags. I was given 3 flags. By whom? By our subject. Colonel Hunt. Colonel Hunt has given the flags. I was given 3 flags by Colonel Hunt. This is the first way of the answer. By another way, we will solve it. Look. Here we should use 3 flags as a object. 3 flags. Now flags are there. So we should use where. Where given by, given to me by Colonel Hunt. Look. For a meaning of the sentence, we had used me before the by. Okay. In this way, we can solve the various examples which are regarding to the passive voice. It's very easy task, passive voice and active voice. If you follow the rules properly, you can solve it very easily. So, let's see few examples we will practice here with the help of this lecture. That should give you more satisfaction of the answers. Get it? Okay. So you should write down that. These all examples you should write down first. Do you? Okay. Shall I rub there? I will rough it now. Let's see. I was carrying the Indian flag. A same formula you have to follow here while making it passive voice. The sentence is in active voice. What shows it? It is in active voice. The sentence structure, that is subject, verb, object. This is the common structure which shows that the sentence is in the active voice. Let's see. Subject I, helping verb is there, was with ing is there, means tense. Continuous tense is there. That's why was is used here. Carrying shows ing, the verb carry, and the object Indian flag. So shall we start with the object? What is it? The Indian flag. Let's start the answer of this sentence. Okay? So shall we write here? Let's see. The Indian flag. The Indian flag. Object first in passive voice. The Indian flag, single flag. That is the past tense. Was is a helping verb. There is no need to take any other helping verb. As it is, whatever the helping verb is there, we should use there. So, we will use was as it is, which are given in the sentence. The Indian flag was. Now we should use being here. Why? Because there is ing to the verb. Being, past participle, carried, and as it is by, that we are using by us, by me, because I is the subject. Second case, I, me, my. Okay. Shall we take another example for more understanding? You should write down the sentence here with the answer. Okay. Being is very, very important here. Continuous tense. Whenever there is continuous tense, when helping verb is there and ing is there to the verb, that time we are using being in the passive voice. After the helping verb, we should use being. Okay. Was is a helping verb here. Being shows that this is the continuous tense. Let's see. Like that. Another examples. One more example. We will going to solve. What is it? What is the another example? Can we? Let's see. We spent the night at Camp 8. Here we will solve it. We subject, spend verb, the night object, at Camp 8 is the complement. Which is the tense? Spend shows that is the past tense. Let's say, write down the answer. Object, the night. The night, helping verb. According to the tense, V2 is there, spent. So was is the helping verb. The night was spent. Spent. V3 is the spent. By. After the V3, by should be there. The night was spent by us. We, us, our, us. At Camp 8 as it is. Complement at the last. At Camp 8. Okay. Write down the sentence. In this way, we have solved the sentence of the passive voice that is given there. Get it? Passive voice is very important part whenever you are going to communicate with others. It affect on the communication if you use passive voice while communicating with others. Okay, friends. So you should find out so many examples of active voice and solve it. Make it passive and then send it on the our WhatsApp group. Practicing this is very important. Okay, have a good day.